Welcome back to Future Fuel, where we explore the latest in cutting-edge vehicles and automotive innovations. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury releases of the year, the 2025 Lincoln. Lincoln, a name synonymous with elegance and sophistication, is once again redefining American luxury with a lineup that seamlessly blends tradition, modernity, and sustainability. The vision of Lincoln in 2025. The 2025 Lincoln is more than just a car, it's a statement. With its bold designs, advanced technology, and commitment to eco-conscious engineering, Lincoln is catering to drivers who crave both luxury and a forward-thinking approach to motoring. It's clear that Lincoln aims to maintain its legacy while appealing to a new generation of luxury car enthusiasts. Exterior. Elegant. The exterior of the 2025 Lincoln is an artful combination of timeless sophistication and futuristic design. Its prominent grille, now featuring a modernized emblem that illuminates subtly, exudes class. The sharp yet smooth body lines give the vehicle a commanding presence on the road. Enhanced aerodynamics not only improve efficiency, but also add a sleek, dynamic profile to the design. LED lighting technology is now standard across the lineup, offering crystal-clear illumination while enhancing the visual appeal. Lincoln's signature full-width taillights have been refined for an even more striking look, and the available two-tone paint options give the vehicle an added level of personalization. Interior luxury. Step inside and you'll find an environment crafted to pamper. The cabin of the 2025 Lincoln is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring sustainable materials like premium leather alternatives and reclaimed wood trims. The brand's quiet flight philosophy is on full display, offering unparalleled noise insulation for a serene driving experience. The spacious interior boasts advanced climate control, customizable ambient lighting, and massage seating options for both front and rear passengers. A panoramic sunroof stretches overhead, flooding the cabin with natural light, while the advanced infotainment system ensures you stay connected and entertained on the go. Cutting-edge technology. Lincoln has gone all out with the tech in its 2025 models. A massive touchscreen dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating navigation, media, and vehicle controls. The system is powered by Lincoln's latest software, offering features like over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. For audiophiles, the Revel Ultima 3D audio system creates an immersive sound experience that rivals a concert hall. Meanwhile, the 3D augmented reality heads-up display projects key information directly onto the windshield, keeping drivers focused on the road ahead. Safety remains a top priority, with Lincoln Copilot 362.0 offering an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic emergency braking are standard, and the available Active Glide 2.0 allows for hands-free highway driving, making long trips more convenient than ever. Electrification meets power. The 2025 Lincoln lineup showcases the brand's commitment to electrification. This year introduces new hybrid and all-electric powertrains, offering an impressive balance of performance and efficiency. The all-electric variant boasts an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge, with fast charging capabilities that can restore up to 80% of the battery in just 30 minutes. For those who still prefer internal combustion engines, Lincoln offers a refined V6 turbocharged option with improved fuel economy and reduced emissions, ensuring every driver finds a powertrain that suits their needs. Sustainable luxury. Lincoln is embracing sustainability like never before. From using recycled materials in its construction to implementing environmentally friendly manufacturing practices, the 2025 lineup represents a significant step toward reducing the brand's carbon footprint. Lincoln's goal is to achieve full carbon neutrality by 2035, and this year's models show they're well on their way. Conclusion: the 2025 Lincoln is a celebration of everything that makes the brand iconic, while embracing the innovations of tomorrow. With its luxurious design, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to sustainability, it sets a new benchmark for what a luxury car can be. Whether you're cruising through the city or embarking on a long road trip, the 2025 Lincoln ensures you do so in unparalleled style and comfort. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Lincoln? Does it live up to the legacy of this iconic brand? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're excited about more automotive insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching Future Fuel. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the vehicles shaping the future of mobility.